participants, my dear masters and my dear friends. I'm very happy to be with you for this great spiritual science class, audio and video sessions under the aegis of Pyramid Spiritual Science Movement and Pyramid Spiritual Science Academy, Bangalore. Today's class is on the Divine Matrix, Part 2. Yesterday, we had been speaking on this subject. I will just recapitulate, refresh the subject of yesterday. Okay, so we were discussing about the universal structure, how the universe is formed, what is the architect, science of functions and structure of the universe. Basically, we understood that the universe is Akhanda Mandala Akaram. That is, mandala means a sort of a circle. It is a cosmic web is there with many circles. Okay. Akhanda means infinite. How many? Numberless. So that is the structure. Numberless. Everywhere omniscient, being present. That is what we call omnipresent, omniscient, and omnipotential. So this sort of universe is in the shape of mandala. That means mandala is a sort of a circular shape. Okay. And this circle represents the whole personality of self. Okay. The self will take birth, the self will discharge all the functions. It will go by Gnana Kanda and Karma Kanda, and again it will evolve itself into another dimension, or it will take rebirth as it desires. This cycle is called mandala. Okay. So we also saw some video where the division takes place between the center points. That is, one consciousness goes into splitting itself into number of consciousness and put together every this sort of countless conscious web that is called energy field, that is called galaxies. Multiples of energy fields or galaxies, and multiple galaxies are making the web that is called cosmic web. That we will go into that. Further information we will find out today. Okay. To understand, this is what a physical scientist can explain to us. Whatever we have seen and understood so far about the universe is based on physical scientists' knowledge, the information obtained by investigations into physical nature. Okay. Now, we cannot understand who has made this, how it is formed, and what are the faculty of that, what are the properties of that. We don't know. How we can come to know? Because they are not visible. They are not visible. We can't come to know. But we should be able to understand only that part, not the visible part. The more important is what we are and how it is constructed, how it is archived, how it has been brought in, how it is constructed. This is the topic. So once we want to know that, the methodology before us is we have to make inner journey. Antarikshana, in Sanskrit we call the science which we can study by means of antarikshana, that is looking inside. Okay. So bahir indriyani paran pashyanti na antaratman. All these senses and our brains and everything, all are manas and all other connected organs of senses. All these organs are capable of seeing outside, not inside. Na antaratman. Inner spirit, inner atma, inner potentials cannot be seen by these external organs of senses. Okay. Now we have to make an inner journey. That is called antarikshana. That is how we can peep into our own inside, how we can go inside, make an internal journey. The technology is clearly laid down for that. This process is served as dhyanam. This is meditation. Dhyana means we have to understand everything in a right way. Okay, we must have a sort of a special vision for this to understand the things as they are. Okay, to understand the things without any illusion and delusion. Right, the understanding is not possible with the physical eyes. We should have inner eyes. Those inner eyes are called Gnana Netra. They are called spiritual eye, third eye. So we must have that. To obtain that, we have to be in meditation. So the technology of traveling into our own self or into our body or to inner energy system, we call the technology, we call it as meditation. So we must have this sort of knowledge, technology of meditation we should learn. For spiritual travel in samadhi, we have to take ourselves. By this, we will understand what is what. We can understand how it is, what is its resource and sources, everything. Okay. For this inner journey, we need to learn meditation as quickly as possible so that we can make inner travel, inner journey, and the astral travel and everything, experiences, everything that is the subject, and we can catch hold of all those experiences which make you understand the ununderstandable things. Now, when once we are into this, then our soul will be whispering into our eyes all the secrets with which it is functioning. How it has made the universe, it will reveal to you. When once you are aligning yourself, aligning your personality with that. Personality is headed by mind, basically. So you should align the mind. If you align the mind as if it is as good as aligning the entire personality, okay, with the self in your heart. Understood? The head should get connected to the heart. That is, the mind should get aligned to the heart. Then the heart, which is the seat of soul, it will react. Then the soul will start whispering to the mind its own great, its own properties. It will be leaked out. It will be leaking out all its properties. So when once we get aligned that, what is that? Many people who got aligned, they had this experience and they have written but the benefit of all the future generations. What is that they have written? That's what we are bringing out to all of us. It says, if I enter my creation, so the soul is the mandala, no? Already we have understood that. So when once it starts creating these mandalas, then what is that? It is questioning itself. What is there to bind me to it? Then where I should be having a sort of specific space, what specific space I can get, and what is there to go out from it. Now, how to go out of that? If something inside, then I can go outside. What is inside and what is outside? Because now there is nothing. So everywhere I am there. So I have to do something for this. That it felt. And then it questioned something more additionally. What is that? When I go out to stay within that, suppose if I go out, I must find some place again to enter. So what is that to enter? I should have something for that. Then when I stay there, I must have something there also. So inside and outside, all these things I need. That is the reason it started creating this. The self started creating in the beginning, prana. The prana gave rise to the mind. It energized mind. The mind cultivates the desires. Because of the desires, there is physical desires. With the body, it is food. Okay. First requirement is food to nourish the physical body. And then ether is formed. Ether means space. Space is nothing. Nothing means energy full it is. Kindly understand, wherever you are telling nothing, that is, if it is as good as no thing. That's it. No thing. Objective thing is not there, but subtle things are there. Subtle thing is energy. So ether is nothing. Ether is nothing. That is space. So that is filled up with energy. This energy gives rise to vigor to the human to work. And then air is produced, and air is required for the all sorts of activities. Penance means it is not punishment here. It is a question of work. The work based on your past karma. Okay. So that's why it is called penance. Okay. The air gives rise to the all activities in the life. And then fire is produced to give a sort of knowledge to us. Fire is equated to knowledge. Knowledge means what? Jyoti, Gnana Jyoti. Okay. The light, the candle, which gave rise to a torch, which gives rise to understand the path. Right path it will indicate. That is a sort of a torch. That is called fire. Fire is called wisdom. So the wisdom will give rise to the understanding of who you are and who is the other person. Okay. And what is this universe and how it is structured and what are its main properties and functions. And then what are these air, fire, water, ether, air, fire, water, earth are called elements. Prithvi, Tejo, Vayu, Akasha. Everybody knows it, Water, it gives a sort of surrendering quality is there. For everything we use in yagnas and puja, karakramas and all those things, wherever you are going to surrender something, for everything you surrender water. Okay. Now you say, in yagna or in puja, I pushpam samarpayami, you will say. But pushpam may not be available. They will put some sprinkle water. Paniyam samarpayami. Pushpartham paniyam samarpayami. Vajrartham, abharanartham paniyam samarpayami. See, all these things for everything, we are surrender. We are just giving water. Water is a sacrificial instrument for us, So that sort of water is created. And then earth is always there. First element is earth. Earth is meant for several worlds it creates. Many, many universes are out of this earth. And then the senses have come because all elements elements are for enjoyment by the senses, So the senses have been originated, and those senses understand by visuals, they enjoy the things and they create all the objective names and objective properties and objective things to enjoy everything, that this has become the structure of the universe. And from this, various functions have come out. So only one self has got, and there are 16 spokes are there. So the whole universe is running with this wheel, which has got 16. This wheel has got 16 spokes. Okay, like a cycle wheel has got spokes. This universal wheel has got 16 spokes, which are starting from prana to the identifying objectives. You understand? Prana is subtle, and objectives, names and fame, all these things are visible things. From invisible, visible thing is there. Visible thing is only a 10%, but invisible thing, there's so many things we have discussed. Of all those things, invisible things are there for 90%. Visible is only at the end point. A small percentage of that is called 10%. And all of us, only names are there outside, but the persons are inside. The persons will not be visible. whatever the energy oriented personality which self creates with the mind and body, subtle body, that is called Sushma Sarira. Sushma Sarira has got everything. The physical body is only objective instrument. So objective instrument is only 10%, but subtle body and the energy bodies, these play an entire life cycle, life properties, life activities are discharged by Sushma Sarira and the energy body. Okay. These are very, very important, and these forms up to 90% of the whole personality. Okay. So this is the structure and this is the properties, and this is how the whole universe has been manufactured. Okay. Now we will see next this slide. You can just get to know the 16 parts or the spokes projecting from the self. Who is the hub of the wheel? Okay. The hub is their spirit in the center point. Okay. That is holding all the 16 spokes. The self is the goal of knowledge. Know him and go beyond. So we have to understand what is the hub in fact, what is more important that is holding all together. All together, all spokes are held by this self. So, Sutre Manigana Iva. See, in Sanskrit, in one of the slokas, it is given as just like in a garland, one thread is there, that thread is called self. And because of that, all the flowers are together in the garland. Okay. So that's how our entire universe is one. It is not different, but the whole is dependent on self. Self is the center point, center hub. Okay. Now we will see some video on this, giving rise to the multiple universe, structure of multiple universe, how it is like that. Of course, all it is belonging to the physical science, objective science. Let us see. It is around 6 minutes. Okay, my dear masters. Various planets, how many? Countless planets, and forming part of energy fields. Those energy fields are countless again, forming part of galaxies. Those galaxies will go into universes and multiple universes. It is like this, we cannot imagine the entirety of this multi-universal system. Okay, this is called matrix, and it looks like a cosmic web for us. Understand? Okay, one more video, a small video is there. Let us see how it looks, each earth. Okay, one earth we will check up. Earth mark. This is one earth planet. Soul is coming from the soul, celestial world, Atmalokas, coming to the earth. As you approach the earth, you are surprised to see There is nothing here except one earth. Okay, so my dear masters, we could see there is only one earth is for us, and we are beautiful flowers. It is geometrically conceived cosmic web it is. We are all interconnected by, like petals of a flower. We are not different. We are from only one earth. We are all actually habitants of that earth. There are no separations between us, no standing walls between us, nothing. We all that what man is creating is barriers, is his own creation. All these things we should be able to understand so that we live our life with utmost calm and quiet without any sort of disturbance in the mind, so as to claim so much of independent separateness and a sort of disunity. All these things, disharmony, all these things should get away from our life system. Okay, masters. So this is what is basically divine matrix, and we are residents of that great the cosmic web. We are not small parts. We are part of this huge, ununderstandable, unimaginable, unspeakable cosmic web. So, my dear my dear masters, so we must feel proud of us. We must feel very great of us, to have taken birth in this humanity, to make use of this earth for ourselves, okay, and then evolve ourselves. We are basically the Atmas, the creators of this cosmic web. So with this, we conclude the session, and I request Sri Krishna ji to Sri Kanti to take us into meditative mode of mind, okay, to know about our own universe, our place. And then tomorrow we will have next topic. Kindly see this, how a circle is formed from the one-pointed consciousness. Two are divided. Yeah, this is the radius of equal distance. Form circle. Two circles. Multitude is there. First pattern of the nature, universe. And then multiverses are formed. This is the geometry, architecture of the universe. So this is the a part of our the naturality of the universe structure. Okay, my dear masters. Anyway, tomorrow also we deal with, are you able to, anybody who wants to speak, let them come up to ask anything in the remaining time. Shrikant Garu.
Yes, sir.
మనం టీచర్స్ ట్రైనింగ్ బెంగళూరు
Okay,
శ్రీదేవి
okay.
మేడం.
Okay,
ఓకే
okay.
సార్.
Okay,
Okay.
nice of you, nice of you.
ఇన్ని రోజులు లేదు సార్ మాకు లింక్, ఇవన్నీ చూసాను నేను.
Oh, very good.
ఓకే, థ్యాంక్ యూ. రోజు వస్తాను సార్, డైలీ వస్తాను.
Nice of you.
చాలా బాగుంది, చివరి మూమెంట్స్ లో ఉన్నాను. థ్యాంక్ యూ సార్.
Nice,
థ్యాంక్ యూ,
nice.
థ్యాంక్ యూ సార్.
Thank you very much. Okay. Who is that? Tina madam?
I like this session. It's nice.
Tell me about you, madam. 1 or 2 words.
I'm
Where from?
from Jaipur, Rajasthan.
Where from?
I'm from Jaipur, Rajasthan.
Jaipur. Oh, fantastic.
Yeah. Yesterday she has
Okay.
introduced herself.
Yesterday I
Oh.
joined. So it's my
Okay,
second session only.
Okay.
And
Fine.
so I'm liking it and will
Ah.
do it further also.
Yes, yes. Kindly give you this information to all of your friends and nearby people so that they will come to know the realities in which they are.
Somebody gave me the link from the Indore about you.
Ah,
So
okay, okay, okay.
that's one.
Very good. So today, something you understood, no? Something new to you?
I missed a lot of today due to a network problem. So I started at 12:20.
Very good, very good, very good. Tomorrow, let us be in
Tomorrow I
time.
will be on the time. Yeah.
Sure, sure. So tomorrow also we will see some more details of this architecture of the universe, how it is built on, how it is archived. Okay, we will see that.
We will gain knowledge from you, sir. Definitely.
Knowledge is not mine; it is universal knowledge, and it is the property of everyone.
Yes, sir.
It is not somebody's property. It is not
Yeah.
like that. If you
Yes.
take it, it is yours. That's it. So
Yes.
everybody has to enjoy the knowledge, enjoy
Yes.
the beautiful wisdom,
Yes,
so that
sir.
our life becomes easier, easier, easier. The more you know, it is easier. That's all.
Yes,
So
definitely.
yes, yes, madam. Okay. Srikanth Garu,
Yes, sir.
Thanks.
you can take on further. Next.
Yeah. Next. Yeah. Ramanish. Yes. Ramanish.
Ramanish
you want to
Garu.
speak? Ramanish Garu, you want to speak anything about today's session or in general?
Sir, namaste. Hello.
Namaste. Namaste, sir.
Hello.
Namaste, Ramanish Garu.
Hello.
Namaskaram.
సార్ ఇస్తుందా?
వినిపిస్తున్నది, చెప్పండి.
చాలా సంతోషం సార్, అద్భుతమైన కండక్ట్ చేస్తున్నారు 2 గంటల ఉదయం సాయంత్రం 4 to 5 4 to 5 కండక్ట్ చేస్తున్నారు. మార్నింగ్ కూడా చాలా ఆనందపడుతున్నాం.
వెరీ గుడ్, వెరీ గుడ్.
మెసేజ్ అందాలనుకున్న విశ్వంలోకి వెళ్ళి రికార్డ్
అంతే కదా,
వస్తుంది. ఇక్కడ యూట్యూబ్ లో కూడా ఉన్నాయి.
విశ్వాన్ని చూస్తాం మనం, విశ్వాన్ని మనలోనే చూస్తాం, మనలోనే విశ్వాన్ని చూడగలం.
అలాగే మరి ఇక్కడ సార్ ఇక్కడ శ్రీకాంత్ కూడా బాగా రోజు కండక్ట్ చేస్తున్నారు. అక్కడ కూడా చాలా వస్తుంది సార్, వండర్ఫుల్. థ్యాంక్ యూ సార్. అప్లోడ్ చేస్తున్నాను సార్, ఒక్కొక్కరికి 2 కూడా ఇవ్వబరుస్తున్నాను సార్.
చేయండి. యు ఆర్ ది యాక్చువల్లీ ది బ్రాడ్కాస్టర్. మీరు PSSM లో ఇంపార్టెంట్ ఫిగర్, మీరు అన్ని చోట్లకి తీసుకెళ్తున్నారు. ఓకే, థ్యాంక్ యూ.
చాలా ఆనందం సార్. ఏంటి జూమ్ సెషన్ మనకి వెళ్ళకుండా ప్రపంచం అంతరించే రోజులు సార్. మీ కార్యక్రమాలు ప్రపంచంలో అందాలి సార్ కూడా, ఎందుకంటే ఏసింకేనే ఇక్కడ వెళ్ళిపోవచ్చు మాట. అందుకే వరల్డ్ అయింది, లెమ్యూనియాచ్ వారు వరల్డ్ చేశారట. ఈ సమాజ ప్రపంచం అంతటా అందుకోసం.
వెరీ గుడ్
సార్. కొంచెం ఇంగ్లీష్ ప్రాబ్లం తర్వాత నెట్వర్క్ తక్కువ సరిసరి
చేస్తాం మనము. నెక్స్ట్ కోర్స్
థ్యాంక్ యూ. కండక్ట్ చేసే మీకు ధన్యవాదాలు సార్. కార్యక్రమాన్ని ఏర్పాటు చేశారు.
అవునవును, కరెక్ట్. యు ఆర్ రైట్. శ్రీకాంత్ ఈజ్ అ వెరీ గ్రేట్ పర్సనాలిటీ, వితౌట్ విచ్ వితౌట్ హూమ్. నైస్ థింగ్.
థ్యాంక్ యూ సార్. మీ అందరూ అటెండ్ అవ్వాలి. సో యూ ఆల్ హ్యావ్ టు అటెండ్ దీస్ సెషన్స్ అండ్ యూ హావ్ టు గెయిన్ నాలెడ్జ్ అండ్ you have to share with others also, so that they also can, new participant can also join us in these sessions.
Sure.
Moreover, we are doing it free of charge, so we can invite anybody who can
Yes.
they can attend these sessions.
Sure, sure.
Yeah. Thank you, one and all.
సో
So,
టైం ఈజ్ ఉన్నదే మనకి చాలా 1 hour వరకు వస్తున్నది కదా.
Today, astonishingly, it has crossed almost 15 minutes, sir, but there is no triggering of time. That is what I am aspiring.
అట్లానా, ఓకే.